Before 2021 ends, how many loves and hates I've gained. Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I'll show you how to do this cute trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Ellie and John YTT. And then from my page you have to go to new stickers at highlights, and here you have to tap until you find the desired sticker. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I will do the story I will show you from where you can get a tutorial to help you solve your problem. So stay tuned for that. So now you can go to your uploads and choose a background photo for your story. I will go with this one. You can place your sticker where you want, and after that you have to go to stickers from the top of the screen, and then you have to go to quiz, or go to poll, yeah, right here, and here you have to tap in love and here hate, and then click on the done button from the right top corner. So after that you can place your sticker where you want, and you can share your story with your friends. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? From my Instagram page you have to go to super viral at highlights, and here you'll find this first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video, and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.